warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shafiza binti Mamasud. So I'm going to show you our mosque, which is ASY-SYAKIRIN mosque. It consists of a prayer hall and also a services section. Okay, for the plan view, as you can see, this is our main building, which is the prayer hall. We have 2 bathrooms, parking lot, and also a minaret. Okay, for the section view, this is our second floor of the mosque. It can be used for women prayer hall too if there are not enough space for them. The size of our boundary wall is 1.7 meter times 1.8 meter with length 262 meter. The location of this mosque is at Taman Keluang Perdana, Keluang Johor. So our target worshipper is from the residential area, and it is also located near to the office area so that the workers can come to perform the prayer there. For the main entrance gate, it is placed at the right side of this mosque. It is using an aluminium gates with a double door. It is a swinging driveway gate. It is constructed in 16 feet in width and it is 5 feet in height. So it can be fit 2 cars to pass through the gate in one time. The next one is a parking area. This mosque have 3 parking area, which is at the left, at the right, and also in front of this mosque. The parking area at the sides of this mosque are using an angle parking, and in front of this mosque are using a perpendicular parking. There are 2 parking available for disabled in front of this mosque. It is close to the main door to help them to reach the mosque easily.
This mosque is designed in a square shape with a total gross floor area of 818.5 meters square. We designed this mosque with 3 rises to receive the main building, which each rises consists of 180 mm high with allowance of 280 mm width on each side. As you can see, we provide an allowance of 200 mm on each side as a walkway, also act as an extra spaces for the worshippers. The columns are arranged in grid arrangement, which consists of 18 columns. There are 4 columns which are located inside the building and others are located around the building to support the main superstructure. As you can see, the columns are supported with beam to receive the first floor of this mosque, in which the first floor is only half of the building area. The mosque is designed with 1 thick brick wall as required by the standard design requirements. As for the roof, the design is flat roof, in which it is inspired from the roof of MASJID in Putrajaya. To allow for rainwater, the roof is designed with slanted angle of 15 degrees and connected to drainage. The size of the roof is 576 meters square. On each side of the main entrance, there are ramps provided for the disabled. The ramp consists of landing, which is the length is 1.2 meter at interval, and also following the standard requirement from the PWD. The walkway is designed with non-slip surface, and also the area for the wheelchair is allowable at 1.2 meter length. The ramp is constructed with a proper gradient of 1 to 20 with handrails on both sides. As for the toilets, they are constructed outside of the main building on the left and also on the right. The ablution area for both men and women are connected with the toilet, in which the toilet is equipped with mirrors, wash basin, and also water closet. Both toilets have the same design, in which each area is 51.91 meters square.
Now, I would like to explain about minaret Kuba, which is its dome, painting color, door, and window. So, I will explain about the function of this design.
minaret, Arabic beacon in Islamic architecture. The tower from which believers are called to pray 5 times daily by a muezzin or a weeping person. Such a tower is always connected to a mosque and has one or more open balconies or galleries. They serve as a reminder that the region is Islamic and have distinguished the mosque from the surrounding architecture. In addition to providing visual guidance to the Muslim community, another function is to provide a point of view from which the call to prayer or adhan is made. Dome is one of the most frequently used architecture. It has a spherical shape or like a cone whose surface is curved outward. The dome can be used as an arch rotated on its vertical axis. This is a habit of great power structure. Just like a depressed arch, a dome can be made of brick and concrete only, in relation to pressure and friction. However, modern domes are made using aluminium alloy, steel or concrete reinforcement as a frame and coated with aluminum copper polycarbonate. Facilities finding a mosque. People will first look for a dome to determine the position of the mosque. The color chosen is white and dark grey. Based on the selection of this color, after taking some reasonable reason, because the white color on the wall will add radiance to the mosque and stand out. This color will be painted on the roof and dome of the mosque because this color is more durable and less damaged when exposed to rainwater. Next, for the use of door and window, we use wooden door and tinted glass window. Among the factor is about safety that at night. Wooden doors are difficult to break or open because it is very strong durability. In addition, tinted glass windows also have a function in controlling incoming light into the mosque space and can reduce the heat entering.
In conclusion, based on what I explained on the design, it is have their own history and function in the building. So what kind of I can do is modify and upgrade the design based on sustainable building.
This is the main entrance for Masjid ASY-SYAKIRIN. The entrance is meant to be the huge element for a mosque. As you can see, it has both side entrance and is separated for women and men worshippers. The side entrance is near to the bathroom and ablution area. As for this mosque, it is compulsory to provide emergency exit because it accommodates 400 to 500 worshippers at one time. This mosque is using natural and mechanical ventilation to cool the interior space of the mosque. The natural ventilation of a building is dependent on the climate, building design, and human behavior. Air-conditioned mosques must have good ventilation system to provide suitable temperature and humidity to the worshippers, as well as sufficient amount of air to remove indoor chemical air contaminants.
Split system is preferred for this mosque because it uses less work to install. It also great for energy efficiency and reduce money spent on future utility bills. Split system has an indoor ductless unit that can operate silently. The worshipper can pray without being bothered by the noisy operation of the aircon.
Glass pane window that installed in the mosque provide natural lighting and generally make the building more comfortable. This will reduce the electrical power being consumed during the day.
For the Green Building Rating System, our group will be using the Green Building Index Non-Residential New Construction tool. We choose this tool because of the Malaysian climate and the suitability. So, there are few points that need to be achieved for building likely will be awarded as environment friendly. The following are the points that need to be achieved.